This is the Woodford RK-H34 repair kit. Now, this repair kit will work for the Model 21 and the Model H34 sanitary yard hydrant. Now, the parts included in this kit, you're going to have your handle screw, packing nut, packing support washer, the operating screw, the EPDM packing, the seat washer, and the screw for the seat washer. Now, a couple things to notice, starting with the packing nut. Here you've got that set of male or external threads. Then coming up, you've got that hexed head there to make it just easier to loosen or tighten whatever you need to do with it. Then your operating screw. Inside of it, it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there is a small set of female or internal threads. And then you have that squared piece up at the top that'll fit into the squared broach or opening in the handle. Then coming down to this end, you've got a small set of male threads. In total, there's 3 threads there. And then the bottom end, you've got a set of female or internal threads for your seat screw and washer to sit. And then the EPDM packing, just full rubber. In the middle of it, it's kind of got that little bevel. Then your support washer. Of course, the handle screw. Handle screw is just driven by Phillips head, or flathead. I'm sorry, my apologies. And then we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part included here in the kit. Starting with the handle, we're just going to get an outer diameter here at the bottom, then an inside diameter at that square opening. Outer, we're looking right at about 2 inches. And then inside diameter of that square, just above 1/4 of an inch. Then the packing nut, total length, right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then I'm going to try my best to get an outer diameter of that hexed portion. It's going to be right at about 1 inch. And the operating screw, total length, about 1 5/8 inches. Then outer diameter here at the bottom, right at about 1/2 inch. And then we can also measure the EPDM packing, outer, at about 7/8 of an inch, with a width of about 1/4 of an inch. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-H34 hydrant repair kit.